Here's a Emerson 1895. I got this at Fanimation, I don't know how long ago. I say that quite often because I honestly don't remember. I got a Fanimation from Chandru. Anyway, this is a 4-speed model. This was brand new when I got it. It had a box, but the box was completely trashed. I had a light on it, but I took the light off because I was short on lights. And yeah, I don't even remember if it even had a switch housing cap. I think it did, but I don't remember. 4-speed model. I don't know if I said that, but start it up on low. Or low, I should say. It's got a very aesthetic low speed, which is quite nice. Go on to regular low. Or medium, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, about a medium. Pretty good air mover. Blades are solid wood. Very thick. Go to medium high. Actually, I think that was it. High. Medium high right here. I got the speeds backwards because it's a 4-speed. I'm not necessarily used to 4 speeds. Honestly, not any different than it was on the low speed. It's about the same, really. Actually, that might have been low. Yeah. All right, this is high. Makes a noise. It does wobble a little bit because it sat in storage for the longest. And how do they make it sound? I think it's because of the canopy up there just sitting there. Very good air mover. That's off. Anyway, that's it, and until next time.